We'll guide you through how to plug in Grammarly in Overleaf. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your device and make sure it is fully ready to use. Connect to a stable internet connection so everything runs smoothly. Next, open Google Chrome and confirm that the Grammarly extension is already installed and active in your browser. Once that is ready, visit the Overleaf website and sign into your Overleaf account using your credentials. After signing in, open an existing project or create a new one if you want to start from scratch. Wait for the Overleaf editor to load completely before continuing. Once the editor is ready, click anywhere inside the text editor area. Grammarly should activate automatically as soon as you place your cursor in the writing space. Look toward the bottom right corner of the screen for the Grammarly pop-up icon. When it appears, click on it to open Grammarly's Writing Assistant panel. A Grammarly writing panel will appear on your screen. From there, select the option to create or draft content. This feature is especially helpful when you need assistance generating text directly within your Overleaf project. Next, click inside the text input field provided in the Grammarly panel. Type your prompt or project request clearly and specifically. For example, you can type, "Explain how to use Grammarly in Overleaf." Before submitting, take a moment to review your prompt to make sure it accurately describes what you need. Once you are satisfied, press Enter or click the Send button. Now, wait while Grammarly processes your request. This may take a few seconds. Grammarly will then generate the requested text based on your prompt. Carefully review the generated content to ensure it matches your needs and aligns with the purpose of your document. If everything looks good, click the Insert button. Grammarly will automatically place the generated text into your Overleaf document. Review the inserted content directly in the editor to ensure proper formatting and accuracy. You can edit, refine, or customize the text further if needed. You can repeat this same process for introductions, explanations, summaries, or any other parts of your document.